Hello 6th standard student. In the first video we have studied about the second chapter of mathematics, that is whole number, and in the third video we have solved our first exercise of whole number, that is exercise 2.1. I hope you have solved that exercise 2.1 in your notebook, because when school will reopen I am going to check this. In this video we are going to solve our next exercise, that is 2.2. Now without wasting our time we are going to start that. The first question is find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Okay. In this question they give us two examples which consist addition operations. In the second question, find the product by suitable arrangement. In this question there are the 6 questions which consisting multiplication operation. And the third, the find the value of the following. And in this question there are the 4 questions which consisting addition and multiplication subtraction operations. And the question 4, find the product of a suitable properties, and here are the 4 questions which consisting multiplication operation. Look at here carefully. This is the exercise 2.2. These are the 4 questions that we are going to solve in the part first of this video. So these are the questions. You can stop this video and you can write these questions in your notebook. Okay. I hope you have write these questions in your notebook, and here are the some steps how that we can solve. Look at here carefully. The first sum in question 1, that is we have to find out the sum by suitable rearrangement. That means we have to make a suitable groups so we can find out the sum easily. Look at here the first example, 837 plus 208 and plus 363. If we consider the unit place values, that is 7, 8 and 3, if we add 7 and 3 we get 10. So if there is 0 at the unit and tens place, so it will be the easy for addition. So we will make a group of 837 plus 663. So we write in that bracket, and at the outside of the bracket I wrote here 208. So as per our BODMAS rule we have to solve the bracket. So 837 plus 363 is 1200, and if I add 208 to that, so I get the answer 1408. I hope it is easy for you. B, 1962 plus 4533 plus 1538 plus 647. By considering the unit place values, we get 0 at unit place by adding 2 and 8 and 3 and 7. So as per that we make here group. In the first bracket I wrote here 1962 plus 1538, and in the next bracket I wrote here 4453 plus 647. By calculating these values we get values in the next step, that is 3500 plus 1100, and I get the answer 4600. Now question number B. In this question we have to find out the product by suitable rearrangement. Look at here the first example, 2 into 1768 plus 50. We know that 52 is 100, so we make here group a 2 into 50 and bracket close into 1768. Look at here, 50 2 is 100. So I wrote here 100 into 1768. While writing the answer I will put here same 0. Here is the 2 0, so I will write here 2 0, and if I multiplied any number by 1 I will get that same answer, so I will write here 1768 as above step. So my answer is 1,76,800. Now look at here, 4 into 166 into 25. So I make here a grouping of 4 into 25, that is 100, and if I multiply it by 166, I get answer here 16,600. Look at here carefully in the next example. See, 8 into 291 into 125. I know that if I multiplied by 8 to 125, I get here answer 1000. And with the by doing multiplication of 291 with 1000, we get the answer 2,91,000. The next, 625 into 279 into 16. Look at here carefully. If we count the 16, we get 0 at the fifth place. Look at here. 16 1s are 16, 62s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, 16 5s are 80. So if I multiply 16 to 625, I get here answer that is 10,000, and if I multiply this 10,000 with 279, I get here answer 27,90,000. The next question, 285 into 5 into 60. Look at here. 5 into 60, we get here answer 300. Okay, so if we multiply this 300 with 284, we get answer here 85,500. In the example F, 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. Look at carefully, here is already 0. So I can make any pair with 40. But what about the other numbers? I know that if 125 is multiplied by 808, so we get answer here 1000. And if we make a pair of 40 into 25, we get here answer 1000. So 1000 into 1000, we get here answer 10 lakh. Or instead of that, we can also write solve as like this way. We can make a group of 125 into 40 into in bracket 8 into 25. So I will get here, if I multiplied 125 by 40, we get answer here look at here, I will write here as like as 0. If I multiplied this number with 4, then what will come here? 5 4s are 20, so I have to write here 0. It will carry 2. So 4 2s are 8 and 2 becomes 10. So I will put write here 0 and carry 1. Again 5 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1. Which number we have carried, that is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is a 5,000 and multiplied by 25 8s are 200. So what will be the answer? 5 2s are 10. And how many total zeros are there? 5. So I will write here 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can solve this as like way also. Okay. The third question is we have to find out the value. Look at here carefully. 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. We can see that 297 is a common number. So we will put it outside of the bracket, that is 297 into, and in bracket we will write here 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 becomes 20. Okay. So 297 into 20, we get the answer 5,940. As like that, look at here for the question B. 54,790 into 92 plus 8 into 54,000, 4,42,379. Look at here carefully. The question is 5,42,000, sorry, 54,779 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Look at here, 54,279 is a common. So I have wrote here at the outside of the bracket, and in bracket there is a 92 plus 8. So 92 plus 8 is 100. So if we multiply that number by 100, we get here 54,27,900. Look at here question number 6. 81,265 into 169 minus 81,265 into 69. Look at here, 81,265 is a common. So we wrote here at the outside of the bracket, and in bracket we wrote the remaining, that is 169 minus 69. 169 minus 69 gives us 100, and that multiplication with 100 is very easy, that we know it very well. So my answer is 81,26,500. Question number D. 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. Look at here carefully. I wrote here as same as in a question, that is 3,845 into 5 into 782. Okay. Now look at here. I write here factorization of 769. I wrote here as like as above, but instead of 25 I wrote here 5 into 5, that is 5 to exact 25, and into 218 as like is in question. So 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus, if we multiply 769 with 5, we get 3,845, and that 5 into 218 remains the same. Now we get 3,845 common, and 5 is also common. So we put both the numbers at the outside of the bracket with multiplication process. And in the bracket we wrote here 782 plus 218, which we get 1000. So 3,845 into 5, we get here 19,225, and if you multiply that number with 1000, we get here answer 1,92,25,000. Okay dear students, these are very easy. Find the product using suitable properties. Look at here carefully. Here is the first question. 738 into 103. Instead of 133, I wrote here 100 plus 3. Okay, and now we are going, by using distributive property, we are going to write 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. That means this 738 will be multiplied both numbers which are present in a bracket. So by multiplying process we get the final answer, that is 76,040. Question number B, 854 into 102. Right there, look at here, 102 is wrote right here as a 100 plus 2, and by multiplicating process and by using distributive property we get here a final answer 87,108. And now that C and D, you have to solve this example with you, as yourself, because there are the answer, but try to understand these both examples yourself, and if you have any query you can ask me in a comment box, or you can ask me when school will reopen. Okay, this is the C, that is 258 into 1008, and D is 1005 into 168. Okay, now the question 5. Question 5 is a word problem. Look at here carefully. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of a petrol on Monday. That means a taxi driver filled his car with petrol 40 liters on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of a petrol. Again on the next day, that means on Tuesday, again he uh, filled his filled the tank with 50 liters. Now look at here. Now total petrol is 90 liters. That is 40 plus 50 is 90. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, then how much did he spend in all on petrol? That means now we have to find out the total cost of 90 liters, as they give us the cost of petrol is 44 rupees per liter. That means now we have to find out the value of many from the given per liter value, that is from the 1. That means we have to do multiplication process. Look at here how we can solve this. Petrol filled on Monday is equal to 40 liters. Petrol filled on next day is 50 liters. So total petrol filled 90 liters. Now cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 44. Cost of 90 liters petrol is rupees 44 into 90. So how can we do it? Okay. Instead of 90, I can write here 100 minus 10. Look at here. Instead of 90, I can write here 100 minus 10, and by distributing property I can write here 44 into 100 minus 44 into 10. So I get here 4400 minus 440 rupees. So my final answer is rupees 3960. Okay, instead of that you can solve as like way also, that is 44 into 90. So you will get answer. I will wrote here firstly so 9 fours are 36. So I will write here. So I will write here for 0. Then 9 fours are 36. So I will write here 6, carry 3. Again 9 fours are 36. 36 and carry 3 will become total 39. So my answer is the 3960. But look here, you have to use property. So it is necessary to solve as like this way. Both answers are correct, but steps are also very important. So by using the property, you have to solve these examples. Therefore he spends total rupees, or therefore he spends rupees 3960 on petrol. Do you get this, students? Okay, look at carefully, or by or you can stop this video, or you can see this example also. Just enlarge your size, or just your phone size, or screen size. The sixth question, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to vendor per day? As same as 5, we have to do first addition and then multiplication. Look at here carefully. Supply of milk in the morning is 32 liters. Supply of milk in the evening is 68 liter. Total supply 32 plus 68 is equal to 100. Now the cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 15. So cost of 100 liter milk is rupees 15 into 100 is rupees 1500. Therefore, rupees 1500 is due to the vendor per day. Students, this example is very much easy. Sir, you can solve it yourself also. Now, our last question of this exercise. Look at here carefully. Match the following. Here they give us a 3 examples, and in the second column they give us a commutative under multiplication, commutative under addition, distributive multiplication under addition. Look at here carefully. If there are brackets, we have to use distributive property. That means where are the brackets? We have to use distributive property. So look at here carefully. How we can join this? Or instead of that we can write here answer also. So for the first, my answer will be C. Okay, what will be the answer of second equation? 2 into 48 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 into 49. Okay, here is the all operations are multiplication, so we have to use here commutative under multiplication. Look at here in the second example there is 2 into 48, but we have to write here 2 into 49. Look at here carefully. Instead of that we have to write here 49 is equal to 2 into 15 to 49. So order of multiplication is changed, so my answer is here A. And the third one, 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005, that is commutative under addition. So my this is B. Okay. The first one is C, second is A, and third is B. Okay. Do you get this answer? Dear students, this exercise 2.2 is here over, and this exercise also is also very easy. You can solve this yourself. This is the exercise and these are the answers. But if you have understand this exercise 2.2, try to solve yourself in your notebook. So when school will reopen, I will check it, and if you have any query you can ask me in a comment box. So these are the answers. Or instead of that we can say you can study from this answer sheet then how we have to solve these examples. Just you have to write always at one side, you have to write this equal to sign also. This is very important for the future examinations.